What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here. If you have the problem of liquid electrical tape drying out and turning into a gloppy mess, after you paid good money for a full jar of it, and then it ends up, just being like this, basically wasting whatever's left in there, there is a solution. Acetone is a good thinner for this stuff. You can get this pretty much anywhere. I'll put a link down below where you can get it, but you can get it at most of your hardware stores and big box stores and all that. Just pour you a little bit of acetone in the jar, and then start mixing it, as needed. Do your long screwdriver or whatever, because you can wipe it off after the fact. Just keep mixing it together, and it will start to thin out. It's still a little gloppy in there, but at least you can, start using it and salvage and not throw it away. So stupid. Just keep working with it. Make it whatever consistency you want it to be. But it gets better, the more you work with it. As you see. And you can clean the brush off also, with the same acetone. But it will thin out. And what I'm now doing, I'm actually putting this stuff on the rim of the jar. Because that's why it's evaporating, is this top right here, the whatever solvent is inside here that keeps it thin is obviously evaporating in storage. So you should be able to just glop some of this up here on the top. Maybe around the edge of the jar right there. Let that dry. That way you should get a better seal when you do put the cap back on. But you'll have to let that dry for, for a few moments. And that should at least give you something usable again. So stupid though, Because it's not like you use this stuff every day, but you got something sitting on your shelf and you go to use it and it's worthless. Like this one. So anyway, there you go. Acetone. Get it anywhere. Check out our other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff, that may help you around the house or in your shop or working on your dirt bike, your Harley Davidson, your lawnmower, household item repairs, just stuff. We've got all kinds of stuff and entertainment videos, relating to motorcycle racing and drag racing and, cool things like that. So look through our more than 1,500 other videos, and we have another channel now called Horsepower House 2.0 that has even more cool stuff. Always adding more every week, more new videos. So that's it. Biker Dave here signing off. There you go. Put you some acetone in your liquid electrical tape. Make it usable again. Fantastic. That's it. Y'all have a good day. We'll see you.